today, anemia screening by copper sulfate method. This is a crude method whereby you come to know whether the hemoglobin levels are less than normal. That is less than 12 for the female and less than 14 for the male. A solution of copper sulfate is used. The finger is cleaned with alcohol and cotton, and a sterile lancet or the pricking needle is used, which is capped. Only when required we will be opening it and using it for the pricking. A drop of blood is used, which is dropped into this copper sulfate solution, and depending upon whether the drop of blood floats or gets submerged down, that will determine the anemic condition of the person. If the drop settles, that means the hemoglobin levels are right. The person is not anemic, for the hemoglobin is more than required. But if the drop of blood floats, as per the density of copper sulfate, it shows that the hemoglobin levels are less than normal, and thus the person is anemic. So let us perform the experiment. We have copper sulfate solution here, right? And with the alcohol and cotton, we will rub the finger of the person whom we are going to screen for anemia. This is the lancet which is used. So we have Anthony uncle here. I will clean his finger, okay, and we will prick so that we get a good drop of blood. A good drop of blood come, okay. The first part has to be clean, and now a second drop of blood we will try to immerse it into copper sulfate. So you can see the drop of blood went into the copper sulfate solution and has settled down, okay. So that means the person here, Anthony uncle, is not anemic but has hemoglobin more than 14, right? So this is how any other person can be screened for anemia.